You've heated the same coffee mug 3 times today. I really think it's time for you to make a new one.
And there's like 1,000 trays in here. Don't you have any other racks? I'm an oven, not a storing cabinet.
Stop! I am not nicely heated just yet. I'll ruin your steak, burn it, and have it sticking all over me. Instead, test me with a couple of water drops. If they jump like this, it means we're ready to cook that delicious steak.
Also, couldn't you rinse these for 5 seconds before giving them to me? This is basically impossible to clean.
We might be dirty, but the meal that made us like this was delicious, wasn't it? So stop being lazy and get to washing.